pranayama, that is called Bhastrika Pranayama. Now for Bhastrika Pranayama, you will have to sit in Vajrasana. You take both your legs back and you sit down on your heels like this. Okay. Now there is a 1 fist distance between your both the knees. Your back is absolutely straight. Now you may not be able to sit in Vajrasana. So you can do, what you can do is you can take 2 cushions. One you can place down here and one you can place in between your thighs and calf. So here, and then you place it and you may sit down. I've also showed how you can sit with the cushions in another video. You can go and check it out. Also with cushions also you may not be able to sit sometimes. So you can sit in any posture you find comfortable and then slowly you can practice sitting in this posture. Now for Bhastrika Pranayama, you need to make loose fist of your palms and you need to place it near your shoulders. Make sure it is a very loose fist and you're absolutely near your shoulders. Now your elbows are near your body. Your neck is absolutely straight. Right now my eyes are open because I'm teaching you, but when you do it, you have to close your eyes. Now first you take a normal breath in and you exhale. Now you take a forceful breath in, you take your hands up and you open the fist. When you breathe out, you come down, you hit your elbows to your ribs and you make the fist again. You're breathing in, you go up, breathing out, you come down again. Again the fist comes near your shoulders. Now you have to take very forceful breath in while you go up and forceful breath out when you come down. So it should be like this. And after in one round you may start with 10 repetitions like this. You don't have to go very fast, neither very slow, just an average normal speed. And after you're done, you may place your hands down with palms facing towards the ceiling. Cool? And you may increase the the repetitions to 20 after a while, not more than 20, that is enough. When you keep your hand down, you rest for 30 to 40 seconds and then you do one more round of it, repeat it for 10 to 20 times, then you come down and then you do one more round and then you come down. That is how you have to do Bhastrika Pranayama, making sure that you follow all the rules I told you. You have to take normal breathe in first and out. Then you have to take forceful breath up, making sure your palms are opening up. When you come down, you're making the loose fist again and your elbows are hitting your ribs. If you want, I can show one last time. Close your eyes. That is how you will repeat it and then you will rest down. That is how you do it, and I list all the benefits and contradictions in the caption below. You can read what it can help you in, and then I hope you do it. If you have any confusion, you can text me up, you can DM me, and you can comment down below. And make sure you read all the benefits. Make sure you read all the contraindications if you're somebody who can't do it and stuff. You just need to check it out.